Ready to turn your social media savvy into cold, hard cash? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with the Temu affiliate program. So get ready to learn everything from signing up to racking up those commissions. First things first, let's head over to Temu's website or app. Look for the affiliate program link, usually found at the bottom of the page or within your account settings, and click on it to begin the registration. You'll be prompted to fill out an application form, provide accurate information, including your name, contact details, and most importantly, your promotional methods. This is where you tell Temu how you plan to promote their products. Are you a TikTok influencer, a YouTube guru, or maybe an Instagram aficionado? Be specific. Once approved, you'll gain access to your unique affiliate dashboard. Here, you'll find your personalized tracking links and commission rates. To promote a product, simply grab its link from Temu and use the affiliate link generator within your dashboard to create your special referral link. Now comes the fun part: sharing. Promote your links across your social media platforms. Create engaging content like product reviews, hauls, or even just share deals you find on Temu. The more people click and buy through your link, the more you earn. Commissions vary depending on the product category and your performance, so keep an eye on your dashboard to track your earnings and optimize your strategy. Happy earning!